The objective of the Pack Headphones job is to pack headphones in a box for shipping. The equipment used includes a work table, an easy pack, a tape dispenser, a label dispenser, pallets, and a wastebasket. The materials used include packing boxes, a box with headphones, tape, various labels, easy pack material, and corrugated material. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes floor mats and gloves. The height of the worker observed was 6 feet 4 inches. The work tasks for the pack headphone task begin by getting the shipping box. Next, they form the shipping box. Then the worker gets the tape. Next, they position the tape on the box and seal it. Workers then get 4 sets of easy pack material. Workers then remove labels from the bag with 4 sets of headphones. 1 set of easy pack material is placed in the shipping box. The workers then get the box of headphones and position that box in the shipping box. These steps are repeated 3 more times for the remaining headphones. Once this is complete, the worker gets the easy pack material and folds it if necessary. Next, the worker places easy pack material in the shipping box. These steps are repeated 2 more times. Once that is complete, the worker gets and positions additional easy pack material if needed. They get a piece of corrugated material and easy pack and position these materials on top of the product. Next, the box flaps are closed and the worker will get tape, which is positioned on one of the box flaps. The worker will close the box flaps and secure them with the tape. Workers next will get and position 5 labels on the box. Label backs are placed in the wastebasket. Workers then lift and carry the shipping box to the pallet where it is positioned. Finally, workers rearrange the shipping boxes if needed. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the pack headphones job. Repeated and sustained exertions were observed and included a medium pace, with hands in steady motion or exertion to pack headphones. Sustained exertions included continuous standing. Arms were continuously elevated while positioning headphones and easy pack material. Forceful exertions were required to push and position the easy pack, with fingertips being used repeatedly, to position boxes of headphones, to close and secure the shipping box. Awkward postures included shoulder abduction and adduction, or elevated upper arm and away from the midline of the body, forearm rotation and neck flexion, or forward bending, to position boxes of headphones and the easy pack in the shipping box and to close the shipping box flaps, torso flexion to position the shipping box on the pallet, torso-lateral bending or sideways bending to position labels on the shipping box, and wrist flexion and forearm rotation to position EasyPack. The observed mechanical or localized contact stress was contact stress between the forearms, hands, and fingers and the edges of the headphone box and the shipping box. The recommendations for the pack headphone work task include: investigate utilizing an adjustable height work table that workers can adjust without assistance from maintenance to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Consider adjustable height lift tables for the shipping pallets to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Investigate utilizing a tool to push and position EasyPack in shipping boxes to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions.